Acne Scar Treatment, 6th Session.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Miriam Adraneta. So today we're here with our patient, Mr. Caloy Escobar. So he's been a long-time patient of Adraneta Dermatology and he's doing acne scar treatment siguro mga once or twice a year kasi malayo siya taga Mariveles, Bataan. So during those 1 to 2 times a year, we've seen significant improvement already with his acne scars. Nakailang session ka na ba with Adraneta Dermatology?
2 years ago po ako nag-start. And yung synergistic acne scar treatment, naka-5 sessions ako and also 1 session ng Belotero for acne scar.
Okay. Kamusta naman yung improvement mo?
Sobrang nag-improve po talaga yung skin condition ko. Yung photos ko before, sobrang severe po talaga nung acne scars ko. And kung makikita niyo yung picture ko before, makikita talaga na nag-improve na wala yung mga acne scars po. Sobrang nag-improve but since meron pa pong konting natitira, ayun po yung need na lang din pong i-improve. Like yung sa temple, since medyo mahirap po siyang i-treat kapag sa temple and yung mga lubog po na part since nawala na naman.
So sa tingin mo, on a scale of 0 to 100, mga ilang percent na yung na-improve ng acne scars mo since nag-start ka?
So, we've come so far na din po kasi talaga, sobrang severe din po talaga nung acne scars ko before. Ngayon po, decent na din po talaga yung skin condition ko po ngayon. I-rate ko po siya ng siguro po nasa 80%. Tumaas po talaga yung confidence ko and hindi na masyadong pansinin, lalo na pag personal. Kapag pictures, napapansin na lang talaga siya pag sobrang HD and kapag hindi maganda yung ilaw.
Actually, acne scar treatment is really a work in progress. Hindi siya one-time solution. Kasi syempre, our skin goes through collagen remodeling. So yung collagen remodeling na yun yung hinahabol natin kung bakit tayo gumagawa ng acne scar treatments. So in most cases, the temple area, ito talaga yung mga mahirap i-treat, especially sa mga patients na medyo payat yung temple area kasi we need the fat to help stimulate collagen production. So for our patient, you can see combination of rolling and boxcar scars. So majority of the scars are in the temple, tsaka dito sa malar area. Okay? Yung pisngi niya, sobrang liit na ng pores. Halos wala na siyang pores, especially dito sa side na to. And on this side, okay, so again, combination of rolling and boxcar scars. And dito din sa malar area. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi pantay yung cheeks niya, mas lubog yung dito sa right side ng malar area compared doon sa left side. Saang side ka ba natutulog?
Hindi po dito po
Oo.
talaga sa right.
Yes, so yung kung saan tayo area natutulog, dun usually mas nagkakaroon ng sagging. Kaya sa case niya, mas lubog yung nasa right side. I would also like to mention that Mr. Caloy is under isotretinoin. So I would like to emphasize that isotretinoin is not a contraindication for acne scar treatment. Iba na po ang guidelines ngayon. So of course, you need a guidance of a dermatologist, pero hindi automatic na pag naka-isotretinoin, bawal na mag-undergo ng acne scar treatments, okay? Yung isotretinoin, it helped a lot also to improve his skin condition. Nawala yung oiliness, nawala yung acne, and lumambot yung skin. So dahil lumambot yung skin, mas na-enhance yung result ng treatment natin, okay? So for today, we're going to do 3-in-1 synergistic acne scar treatment. So that includes our fractional microneedling, PCA cross subcision, and we will add CO2 exosomes and our Restylane skin booster filler. Okay, so bakit yun ang combination natin? Because our fractional skin tightening procedure. So it helps tighten the skin, so maganda siya, especially sa temple area pag nabanat yung skin and sa cheeks. Kasi pag nag-tighten yung skin mo, nababanat din yung scars. Also, it helps produce collagen dun sa ilalim ng skin. So, with collagen production, aangat yung skin mo hanggang sa bumabaw na yung scars. So, TCA cross is indicated for ice pick and boxcar scars, and subcision is best for rolling scars. So, as I've said earlier, yung scar type na is a combination of rolling and boxcar scars. So, bakit mag-add pa tayo ng CO2 laser? Meron na tayong RF fractional. It's because magkaiba sila ng mechanism. CO2 laser is a resurfacing procedure, so it helps peel off the skin to help promote new collagen production, yung new skin yung lalabas. We do ablative settings first and then we top it off with fractional. And then we will add exosomes for faster healing kasi alam naman natin na yung CO2 laser malakas siya and ayaw natin masunog yung skin. Kaya lalagyan natin siya ng exosomes. And of course, with the help of Restylane Skin Boosters, it will help instantly lift yung mga acne scars niya. Kasi mag-graduation na si Kaloy. So kailangan instant yung kanya improvement kasi malapit na yung graduation niya. Okay, so we will start now.
RF fractional microneedling. TCA cross. Subcision. CO2 fractional laser. Restylane Skin Booster. Exosomes. Follow for more updates.